The Rebels have arrived in Germany, Berlin. We're going to be covering the World Health Summit 2022 like no other news organization. We're going to tell you all about it.
So I'm here in Berlin, and I'm going to locate Alexa and Guillaume. Well, it is on. Big pharma pushers and globalists better watch out, because I, Drea Humphrey with Rebel News, almost dropped my suitcase there.
I'm Alexa Lavoie from Quebec City. I'm the French reporter. I'm with the beautiful Drea from British Columbia. And at my right, I have the beautiful Tamara from Ontario. We are all come from Canada here in Berlin, Germany. We have three strong women, all of us covered civil liberty infringement at the end of the government COVID response and question the science. And don't forget, all the job is not done in the front of the camera. We have two wonderful videographers, Guillaume Roy from Quebec and also Edward from UK.
We've arrived here in Berlin. We have an Airbnb. We're staying in the former East Berlin. Now, obviously where we're staying is not super fancy, and we are living modestly. But if you recognize that this is crucial to our ability to bring you the otherwise unreported side of the story, then you can help to fund our journey and our coverage at rebelwho.com. None of what we're about to show you in the next few days will you see anywhere else. Please help to offset our travel expenses so that we can bring you these reports, and follow along for all of the updates at rebelwho.com. Drea, tell us a little bit about what we're going to explore.
That's right. We're living modestly, but you know who isn't? Those that came from across the globe, some in their private jets, to the World Health Summit 2022. Now, that's brought to you in partnership with the World Health Organization, of course, and it's taking place October 16th to 18th. Not sure when you guys are going to see it.
Some of you may already be familiar, but for whoever is not, the reoccurring themes here to be discussed at the summit are digitization of health. Of course, there's the infamous pandemic preparedness response and the pandemic preparedness treaty. We have various discussions around global health, immunization, building back better, food security, and of course, what would all of this be without the climate alarmists and their looming climate catastrophes?
There's going to be more than 100 speakers coming to this event, including Bill Gates, Tedros from the World Health Organization, and many other unelected bureaucrats.
There is the main program with different conferences, but you have the side events. And we discovered recently that every day people would protest outside against the World Health Summit 2022. And you don't want to miss that. We will be on the ground asking Germans what they feel about that the World Health Summit is happening in their own city and country, and as well how they feel about it, because as you know, right now it's not a health crisis, it's mostly an energy crisis. So we want to know their point of view.
Well, you can feel it in your bones. They're going to be pitching one crisis after another, and that's why the Rebels came out to be on top of that information for you. If you think that that's important, please show us by helping us recoup some of the costs to be here and bring you these important reports by going to rebelwho.com. Again, that is rebelwho.com.